Yes is looking, that's crazy. They're like completely flipped, these charts. ES is looking in a downtrend, NQ looking like it's trying to push up in an uptrend. What does the footprint say? So who's trying to get trapped here? Oh, what the heck? Okay, we got like 30 seconds. Oh, they could be drop. Oh, mm. Buying, but like barely any movement. It's kind of it's a scary tale, if you ask me. Damn, I should have you 220. Taking a taking a short. Uh, Bitcoin, Coinbase. It has a lot of nah. Don't do it, bro. Wait, nah, don't do it. Oh, you took it. Oh shoot, took it on NQ. Dang, power to you, bro. The ES long, but I'm looking at NQ like, man, why did I decide to trade ES? I should have been at NQ. You could blame it all on me. Damn, NQ. Damn. Damn. See, this times like this, it's like, why aren't you in NQ? Why are you in ES? She barely moving, and I could have got 20 points already on NQ. But ES is at VWAP. Okay, movement. But it's not as wild swinging as NQ. But we gotta be careful here, actually. Probably should have cut the one. Hit that spot. She's starting to pull back. I was saying NQ hit a spot where it made sense to sell off at. It's done, but I may be able to be able to. She's not gonna complete the move. She's not gonna complete the upside move. I was looking for them to break out past VWAP, but Here, let's see. NQ, man, I need to switch back to NQ because I could have had my points by now and been literally could have been done. ES is I gotta catch her at the right time. This is crazy. Right? I think I should take well they bounced it there. ES doesn't give you hope though. She goes, it's gone. I want to do. I want to too high up. I kind of want to exit my position and buy in lower, but now it's like I don't know. Now I don't know. I don't want to hear your bearish thesis. Thesis on the ES. I'm probably gonna switch to NQ though. It's crazy. Holding her ground. Come on, keep buying meta. What's meta? I need to look at the numbers. Just put that the fibs. That's the 50%. 50%, 38, 38 and 23. Yeah, ES is looking bearish to continue the downtrend. Thought they were gonna break out, but my only hope is that NQ can try and push ES up with her, but we know she's never in charge. Myth historically bearish, but I'm bullish for once. Historically bearish, but I decided to take the longs. I seriously think let's see. Oh damn, there's NQ. Oh damn. Yeah, I think okay. Give me give me break even. Give me break even and I'll get out of this. Unless you're gonna pump. If you want to pump, I'll take that too. What you trying to do, ES? What you trying to do? Go mode? Look at different time frames so I can get skewed in this. Okay, that's all right. The hourly, oh no, the hourly is terrible on ES. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Gosh. Dang. 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 I was wondering what you were talking about. I was like, what is he talking about? And I look at that. Yeah. Yeah, you right. Dang. She won't even give me break even right now. Play it with me. Oh, there they come. Oh, here they come. No, no, there they go. No. Dang, man, you couldn't give me one more chance. Oh no. Bulls. Break. Break 55. They break 55. I'll go back in. Gave myself to 55. Up. And stopped. All right. Yeah, that hourly on ES is looking crazy. Oh my gosh. You know what? Bump all that. NQ. Hey, big head. Where you been? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to trade. Hey, Q, I didn't mean to betray you like that. ES who? Nah, you're the only girl for me. Who's the Oh, y'all got it. Oh, damn.
Ah, look at that. Bitcoin has had some beautiful bearish price action, man, to the downside. Beautiful bearish price action, man. And I'm missing every single bit of it. All right, so we'll see. It's getting close on the ES, man. It's getting close. It's going to tap into that liquidity for sure. And then we'll see what happens. Actually, I'm gonna get out of this on Nasdaq. I'm not shorting Nasdaq anymore. This actually might work, but I'm just gonna focus on the ES right now. I can't focus on both because the Nasdaq will bounce and then she'll hurt my feelings. All right, so I mean, we got the dump. The question is, I mean, will we take out the liquidity on Bookmap? I mean, we should. We should. We should.
So Bookmount wants 50, huh? Did they? Ah, shoot.
Like 50, 48. It looks like they got liquidity going down from 50 to 45. I'll just keep my stop right here just in case. Because I mean, let me look at this real quick. ES, if you can be so merciful and allow me to like really analyze the charts, that would be so great. That would be great. Because we could see a bounce at 50. We could see a bounce at 47.
Did you hit?
Hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, they kept dropping on Nasdaq. Yeah, she probably did. She probably hurt my feelings. It's fine.
She's trying to go down, but the bulls keep buying back up.
Yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, I ain't short Nasdaq no more. That's just too stressful. Shit, I don't got to go to the gym no more. Shit's just too stressful for no damn reason.
I'm in it now. Do you
Yes, if you allow me. Yeah, we could see a bounce here at 50, man. Okay. Uh, we could see one. All right, so let's look at this, man. So yeah, I mean, 10 points would be at 50. Shit, 10 points would be at 50. Let's look at this footprint chart real quick and look at it and see what the bulls are doing right now. Because the Bears, I mean, the Bears are super selling it right now, and it's touching this thing on the hourly chart. Damn it! Uh, don't make me choose, ES. Don't make me choose. All right, so let me look at this, man. All right. If I see some trap bears in a green candle, shit.
There we go, baby. Nah, let me shut up for she pump up 30 points.
You talking about the Nasdaq?
Yeah, the
Ah,
Nasdaq. You gotta be silent. You can't enjoy it until after you get out the position. She'll reverse on you in a heartbeat, man. She cold like that.
Yep. She cold.
Just be quiet. Shut up till you hit my targets. I probably should take one off here at this golden zone. I probably should.
All right, I'm gonna trail it.
Yeah,
I'm trailing.
I'm take. Okay, all right. I
I'm
took one
trailing.
off. I took I took one off, people. I took one off. Let me be. I think it goes lower, but let me be somewhat responsible. This is a different version of me. I'm trying to be a little bit more responsible, less
Mm-hmm.
risky. And now
All right.
look, I should have held through the golden zone. Should have held through. How
Mm-hmm.
much?
There
How
we go,
much?
baby.
How much? How much though? How much? How much? How much? Can I
I
get
should have
can
kept
I
my
get a
short on
little bit
Nasdaq.
can I get a little bit more? A little bit more. 60. Oh shoot. 60.
Okay, I'm out. I'm out, baby. I'm out, baby. I'm out. I'm
Damn.
out. All right, man. Now the question is, do we see the bounce here? That's the question, because I mean, they literally tapped into this area on Bookmap. Do we see the bounce? Is the question. Do we see the bounce here? And if we do see a bounce, how far does it go? Because I mean, if you look at the Bookmap chart, I mean, they buying it, and not the Bookmap chart, the Bookmap chart. I mean, we got a bunch of selling balances right here. They're buying it, but shit,
The
there we go.
orders came in at 50 or at 40. Okay, 48. Sell it again. Sell off at VWAP again. Uh,
Okay. All right, so we caught that, man. We caught that short, man. Well, we can add another bearish day to the books. Jolts is for whatever reason, no matter what, how good the news is, how bad it is, they're just gonna short Jolts for whatever reason, man. For whatever reason. And this is why I'm just gonna short the ES. Like I said, I probably might focus more on the ES because I'm comfortable just trading size with the ES. I'm more comfortable with it on the Nasdaq. I mean, if I'm long and strong, I'll always add to the Nasdaq as it goes up. But shorting the Nasdaq, even though you're up about like what 60 points, 60, 80 points, this shit is stressful, man, and for no reason. All right, so the
Sad.
question is, do they hold it here on the ES, man? That's the question. Do they hold it? Do they hold or do they fold?
Know when to hold them, know when to fold them. We'll push that up to 65. What's 3 points, right?
Probably 45 or probably be 45 would probably be the area where, yeah, okay. And 45 is a high. No wonder why people are trying to get in at 45. We'll see what happens at 45. We'll see.
Why are you overshooting so much? Is that a sign that ES is about to go? Is that a sign,
Hmm.
NQ? Or nah? This is point and freaking A. Q comes over here.
You said fell asleep on the buy button.
Short VWAP again, guys. Short it again. Short it again. Short it again.
Yeah, I definitely agree. That's why, dude, the buys on Nasdaq are better. I'm not stressing myself out like that anymore. I'm not shorting Nasdaq ever again. Ever again.
500-point day has something to say about that.
Actually, no, I beat that. I beat that record. I think my
Oh,
highest
did
now is
you?
like 520, 550 or something like that. I beat the 500 record, and of course it was on stream, baby. So I beat that 500-point record. It didn't feel right because it was off stream. It didn't feel right, so I had to do it again to let everybody know it wasn't a fluke. Nah, but yeah, I beat that record, and now I'm trying to get that 1,000-point day. Shit, that would take some planning. The stars would have to align for that one, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
I
Hey,
got
what's up,
what?
Gangway? What's up?
What's the pullback? Gold. I'm at 170.
I just don't like how there's no follow through on the
5
ES. I
points.
think this goes lower, bro. I think it goes lower. We'll see what happens at 45 at S4. I think S4 actually might be that area because I mean, they're kind of they still got a lot of orders here on the ES, so yeah. I see that you bought from that golden zone, or did you sell to the golden zone?
I got clapped at the golden zone. I should have got out at the golden zone.
What? You're supposed to be doing the clapping at the golden zone.
Fine, NQ, fine. Damn it, fine.
Yeah, I've been flipped. Dude, she's not going short, man. Oh man,
Damn.
they actually went long. She's supposed to be doing the clap at the zone, not the other way around. Oh man, that is so funny. Not the situation, but he's like, you got clapped at the golden zone.
That is funny though. Because you're right. Supposed to be doing the clapping. Here I am, getting clapped at the golden zone. Just thinking in my head, like, okay, they got just 5 more points. 5 more points, NQ. That's all I was really looking for. Like, dang.
Okay, 45 is a golden zone on ES. Okay. All right, I'm going long and
Even
strong at ES on 45. We'll see what happens there.
shortchanging me. How many points is this up? Ah, shoot.
So, I wonder. Should I go short and target the golden zone?
No. 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 should have said fine at VWAP. We'd be. Can't watch. Can't watch. Can't watch anymore. Okay. Where is the upside potential after that little push? Rejected there. Rejected that 200, basically to 23%.
No way. She's like, dude, you're not gonna get it. Ah, no. Yes, don't do it. Don't do it. I meant to get you when you was up there. I meant to get it when it was up there.
Oh, what is that? No, that's the 200, right?
Man, damn it.
Checked at that. They love selling off at that. Oh, damn. I guess they gave me plenty of opportunity. Okay, my bad. We hit DLL on this for no reason. My damn shenanigans in ES.
Oh, damn, dude.
My shenanigans in ES kind of cost me.
Oh, you was having an ES? Mm. But ES, if you kind of give me break even plus like 1 or something, I promise I won't even look at the NASDAQ for like a week.
For a week.
Mm. I mean, at this point, I mean, either this shit gonna drop or it's gonna pop. I did short the bottom like a fool. Because I mean, this thing can easily try to come back and to like 57, but
It's not enough. It's not enough. Not clapped enough. Wait, they do give you a DLL, right?
what are you talking about?
FF? Yeah, yeah, they do. Okay, never mind. I'm straight. We sold off to 200. What's the difference between starter plus and starter besides the consistency?
The consistency is up front with the plus and not on the funded side. It's a 50% consistency rule though.
So it's 50% on the funded or no
There's
consistency
no
on the
consistency
funded.
on no consistency on the funded.
Huh.
Which is good because I guess it really depends on what you want as a trader. If you can stay within a defined range, then I would take the cheaper price with the extra drawdown. Uh, if you kind of want more freedom on the funded side to make and lose however much you want, then paying the extra $40 is going to be, I guess, the better option. I mean, that's what you want. I only bought the Starter Plus because it was 25% off and they were selling it for $90. Basically the same price as the other one.
Oh, they
Basically.
still got that?
It might be over.
They,
It was like a Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal.
oh.
Mm. Yeah, I mean, this is not the best entry. That's why I'm kind of kind of babysitting this. I wish I got in right here where I was trying to, but it dropped before I got my order. I need to have this thing on like a hotkey or something. I'm gonna look into that if that's possible. But the market is definitely respecting the golden zones. You can see that they came back and they sold it from the golden zone. And 45 is exactly where I was looking at the goal because they got it on Bookmap. So that kind of gives me more confidence in this area. You got S4 right here. So we could see 42, because everybody's going to be getting in at 45. So we probably could see, them run it a little bit. And then we can probably see a move back up to about like 55, 60 or something like that. We can possibly see that. I mean, I don't think they go all the way down to 35. I don't think, it's a day. I mean, the question is the market really going to super sell off today? Are we really going to see a sell off? Or are we going to see the market kind of rebound a little bit? I mean, that's the question.
Done.
Yeah, it looks like they got some orders at 40 and 50 and shit. The fuck? Mm. We'll see, man.
Okay.
There's a lot of sell imbalances, like I said, but at the same time, I mean, this could be the bears possibly, potentially getting trapped.
Oh, you short both instruments?
Nah, I've already made my declaration. I'm only shorting the ES.
Uh,
I ain't shorting the Nasdaq
okay.
no more.
Okay.
I ain't shorting the Nasdaq no more.
Like, even when I'm up 500 points, it's still stressful.
Because the bull's gonna come back out of nowhere, gain weight.
They're gonna push it at least 200. Then you're gonna be mad giving up 200 points.
Mm-hmm. I might as well just wait for the longs on the Nasdaq because, the longs are just better suited on the Nasdaq. The ES is a more balanced market. You can make money both ways. You just gotta trade the structure. You gotta trade the structure. That's it. And I'm not gonna sit here and say that I'm confident in longs right now because I'm not. I'm not confident in longs. I see that we got a lot of liquidity here on the ES, but mm, man, there's like an ocean of liquidity right here at 47.50. Damn. So if they break through this, it's gonna be nasty. It's gonna be nasty. Like, they're already buying it. They buying it already. Let me protect myself here on the ES. Ain't no point going negative because this is definitely a gamble at these lows. It's definitely a gamble. Yeah, you see all that liquidity he's sitting here at 45? Okay. I'm more confident now. You got order flow confirmation, golden zone confirmation, and bookmap confirmation, all it's saying 45. So if we don't see a reversal, we're 9 times out of 10 we're gonna probably see a bounce. Let me look at the NASDAQ, making sure she ain't gonna fall through the ceiling. Okay, so we could see, like if the ES finds support, then probably 152 is probably at the bottom of this range is where the NASDAQ will find support if the ES finds support. They buying this thing, man. Nice. Come on, Bear, sell this thing. Keep selling. These bulls was talking about how weak y'all was out here. Show them boys. Show them boys how we do.
They are. They are.
Dude, no. Keep going and hit my. Like I said, once I get to like 4 or 5 points, I mean, once I see like a nice red candle, I'm gonna start trailing this thing because this thing can bounce at any point.
Oh.
Damn. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Griffin trade. I'm looking. No. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ah, shit. The Nasdaq looks like it kind of somewhat low key found support. Shit. Fuck. Ah, damn. Where did it get to? It got to 47. Come on, Nas. Yes, you can do better than that. Get the 45. Get the 45. You can do better than that. Anyway, all in all, I mean, depending on what happens, I got my stop above the 21 EMA because if they break above this thing, then they good.
It's
And I
10
wish I
o'clock.
had my entry all the way up here where I was
It's
trying
10
to get in
o'clock.
short at. Fuck. You said what?
Oh, really? They over here reversing.
Damn it.
Didn't break over
Gotta be
the.
quicker than that.
Didn't break just yet. Didn't break just yet.
No.
Probably gearing up for that. 10 o'clock is usually bullish, ain't it?
10 o'clock is usually the reversal of whatever the current trend is.
Oh, that's RIP then.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Shit.
Yes, one's higher, one's lower. They're over here playing tug of war with each other right now.
Mm-hmm. Well, okay. So if I got the entry I wanted to get in at 54, it got to 47. So what is that? About 7 points. But this is literally the bottom right here. Yes, if you do it. If you do it. She's gonna do it, man. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it.
Oh, you got out. Oh, you got stopped out.
I got stopped out. She's gonna do it. Damn it. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. Oh my god. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. That she's gonna do it. No. No, I don't
She's
deserve
gonna
this.
do it.
No. No.
Dude, you can
No.
go lower than
No.
that, bro.
Ah. This is what being cute gets you. Stopped out. God. Okay, well, I guess I have to wait for the long now. I have to wait for the long.
Dude,
God. All right, man. And look at all this selling right here, man. Look at all that selling. Damn it. Oh my
she gonna
God.
pop up and ah.
Mm.
All right, where do we buy at? Where do we
Well,
buy on
45, I
NQ?
guess. I guess that's the next area. Probably like 43 is probably where they really bounce it at. 43.
You, I shorted the golden zone for you again, just to prove a point.
Mm. Yeah, it's probably like 45, bro. Probably 45 is definitely going to be the area where we see it.
Talking about on
ES, yeah, probably like 45 or something.
ES, FES.
What? Blasphemy. What do you guys do to you?
She's a hoe.
uh, uh,
I thought about I thought about it too. I thought about it, but I didn't want to go through no nasty pullback.
dude,
She
yeah, this is why
loves
I'm
to
not ever
do.
short in the Nasdaq ever again. Dude, she came back to my break even, dude, and then dropped. No way. Or hold on. Hold on. When did I short it? Okay, yeah. She came back to my break even and dropped. Nah, I'm not ever shorting the Nasdaq ever again. I'll just rather long. Okay, so it looks like she's trying to bounce at 47, but you know you want that liquidity at 45, so stop playing.
Wait, this is it. No way, this is it.
Nah, that can't be it, bro. We would have saw price run away from it if this was a real. You gotta trust in the golden zone. The golden zone says 45. You gotta trust in it. Damn it. All right. Hmm. So we know that eventually that we're going to see a bounce, a big bounce, because as this thing is trending down, buyers are buying it as it goes down. Damn, look at all that buying, dude. Damn, look at all that buying.
They gonna do me like the same way again? No way. See with the shoot is crazy. I know they kind of diverge right now, but dang. It's like right here, I think 85.
I mean, I guess that would be. I mean, I guess it really wouldn't be that crazy, but we'll see what happens. Nah, I think this is just to get the buyers trapped. They want 45. They want 45. Hopefully, they want 45 and they'll bounce it at 45. Unbourboned. Unbourboned by what has been.
Unburdened
So
by what has
no
been.
bourbon. No, I'm looking at I got your stream up, and in the next video next it says unbourboned by what has been
Oh, is that when she
bourboned.
went on that rant?
Yeah, when she was completely drunk, yeah.
She
uh
she sounded drunk, looked drunk.
she's, hmm she was drunk. I don't know why her team let her do that. They probably was like, yeah, just let her out, hang her out to dry. She'll never be a presidential candidate ever again after this. Let her do what she wants, I guess. But she was obviously drunk. It's crazy that they did that to her. Ah, shit. Looks like, did they front run 45? Are they gonna front run it for real like that?
Yo,
Nah. They're gonna come back
yo,
for it.
the NQ is just stretching so far away from in comparison to ES.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. If I ever say I'm going short on the Nasdaq, just tell me to get some help. Because, dude, there's no reason why, if I was still in this short, if I didn't close it, to be this damn
God,
slow. Trade
dang
anymore, and it's like,
NQ.
dude, this thing hit my break even like 10
Well,
times already.
I'm the living example. Damn.
This thing hit my break even about 10 times already, dude.
Oh my gosh. I mean, this probably would be. Oh, yeah, I can't even trust them anymore. We don't trust you. We don't trust you. Dang, I can't even trust them no more. That's crazy. Drop it here, though.
Yeah, we could possibly see it. We could, but it's been bouncing off of some levels though. It's definitely been bouncing because it came
Oh,
back.
this is done too.
You saw where it bounced at right here. That breakout, they came back and bought the retest on the Nasdaq. Let me just draw it out so y'all guys can see it. They came back and bounced it. Man, damn it! And bought the retest of the breaker structure.
Was that,
Damn it!
hold on, was that the,
Damn.
okay.
Yeah, we could see the drop right here.
By what it has been. 1 o'clock.
Ah, shit! I didn't mean to do that. Unbourboned by what it's been. Unbourboned. No, don't do this. Don't do it. No.
Well, ES still needs to break that trend, that downward trend. She needs to get righteously. Damn! What the?
What happened?
Yo, a mean stop run. Mean stop run. Damn it!
Damn,
This
dude.
is
Look,
this.
man, I ain't never shorting the Nasdaq ever again, man. I ain't shorting her, dude. That is crazy. I would have been in profit just for me to be in a negative. No, it didn't hit none of my targets neither. Yo, nah. I'm long in the Nasdaq from here on out. Damn, look at the
Yeah,
ES go, man. Fuck.
yeah.
All right. Damn. All right. All right. So the question is. All right. So the question is. You know what, man? All right. So the momentum is obviously to the upside. I was going to sell this, but I'm kind of too late on this. That we can still see 45 because, well, let me actually take this off of this chart. So let me copy it. So I'm gonna actually duplicate this chart, and I guess I'll have a chart for both the Nasdaq and the ES with the golden zones on it. I'll do both, but I'm gonna have to take off everything else off of this though, like all the indicators and stuff like that, because we're not gonna do both. Um, Obviously, leave the EMAs on there, the pivots on there, order flow VWAPs on there. Just the order flow, I'll probably have to take off on this one. The order flow. And just leave everything else on here. Let me look at this real quick.
After you get this whole run up, now it's like back in the middle for ES.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think they want 54 on the ES because as much as we love the Nasdaq, the ES does trade in a specific way. They want that liquidity. All right, 66750.
Now they want 40. Now they gonna run it or sell off of that.
All right. All right, so let's see. Maybe I'm gonna take the trend indicator off as well. Take the trend indicator off this one,
17.
so we can just have just like the just the levels on this.
All right, third time's the charm. Third time's the charm.
Not gonna lie, man. Not gonna lie, because I mean it would be 10 points, wouldn't it? You know what, man? Let's go for it, baby. Let's go for it. They want that liquidity. They want that liquidity. They
They
want
want
it.
it where? The below?
No, I'm talking about like on the ES. They want that liquidity. The Bears, they definitely want that liquidity down there. Or the market. Let me look at the Nasdaq again real quick. Take
Make a
this off of this
decision.
chart.
Short this. I've been shorting and getting crushed. Well, I mean, I literally would have been shorting the bottom though. Or do you wait for Q? Looks like they trying to be on a run, but we got some supply up here. Take it serious. See if they're gonna respect it or not. Then it's like, dang, you missing out on them. I don't know. You go back to scalping.
Red candle here would confirm my bias. A green candle will hurt my feelings.
Trying to hold long. Go back to the roots.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, I'm surprised you move away from it. I mean, shit. I mean, I think the only thing that you would have to add to your game is just holding into target. That's it. The only thing I had to add to my game is adding size and scaling in at the right spot and taking profits. Mm. Okay, so obviously I'm not going to risk all these points. Obviously, I'm not going to risk that. All right, so I'm in that 55. Hmm.
See, I would be in this momentum normally, but it's going into supply, so I'm like, okay, what are we gonna do here? Gonna respect the supply like you did earlier, or push through it? It's looking strong.
I will say that there's a lot of buying. The buyers are definitely trying to push past this without being successful here. Okay.
Let me wait a little bit
I
longer.
still think they want that 45. The question is, I mean, yeah, they could still want 45, but I don't know when they want 45. That's why I'm being super cautious here. And she dancing around my break even too. Mm. She dancing around my break even. Mm. Okay. So what are you gonna do, ES? What are you gonna do? You got trap participants at 56. So if price does tap 56, I do think that we will see an initial move down. People trying to getting out at break even. But if we can see a nasty red candle here, then we good. We good for that 45 liquidity. We good. We just need that candle to close right here underneath that damn 21 EMA. That's it. That's all we need. And you already see that the 50 and the 21 are kissing each other right now too. That's all we need. But they're definitely trying to buy it off of it though. Let me look at the hourly chart on the ES because I'm tripping. I mean, that's still bearish, but I mean, the bulls can definitely get something going. They can definitely get something going here. And I definitely don't really like my entry. I don't like it. Because the bears failed right here underneath the moving average. They failed to take it lower, to use the moving average to move it down. They failed underneath it, and now the bulls are trying to find support at the 21 and 50. That's what makes this kind of a gamble because the bulls can definitely use this as support. You can see it right here. The value area low is right here at 53. But the momentum is to the downside, so that's the only reason why I'm gonna stay in this. But I'm just waiting for this candle to close underneath this. That's all I'm waiting for. We didn't get that. I mean, okay, we didn't get it. All right, so how many points I want to give this thing? 4 points. No, I don't want to give it 4 points.
If I'd have left it at 20, it would have filled me.
All we need is this candle to break. Come on, Bears. Break this thing, man. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. I mean, shit, this was enough, man. Like 47. Yeah, this was a 10-point move up. Okay, I saw what just happened. All right. It was a 10-point move. Where's that at? 56. All right. We just need this candle to close, baby. That's it. Come on. Close. Close strong. That's not a strong close. That's not a strong close. Man, a Bears job seems to never be done, man. Damn. Yo, it's crazy, man. Like the Bears have been shorting this thing literally for 2-3 hours now. Like, damn, Bears, shit. Get to where you need to go. Shit. God. All right. Yeah, wait, says stop it. Get some help. I'm not shorting the NASDAQ no more, man. It's not even worth it. It really
I
isn't.
am.
It really isn't.
Said I am. Damn it.
There we
Get
go,
my
baby. There go that
revenge.
stop run.
Get it back in blood. Red, I want to see pain, fear in the markets. Fear.
Yeah.
Short.
Dude,
Short it.
I would just be back in profit here, dude. No way. I'm not ever shorting the NASDAQ again, man. I'm not shorting that shit. I would just be back in profit. At my break even, dude.
And I
No
might.
way.
It does suck being a bear on the NQ though.
Yeah, it
You get
does,
no
dude.
respect. You get no respect. Dang, I get no respect.
Nope.
And then you get stopped out. Like, try to be smart with it, or you try to be cute, putting your stop. Oh, put it here, and you just get stopped out
Mm-hmm.
to protect yourself.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Maybe they'll go lower on the NASDAQ or on the ES. I just saw something. That potentially could be concerning. If 45 doesn't hold, we're probably going back down to 30, 33. We probably might be going back down here. Well, no, never mind. I'll take that back. Never mind. I'll take that back. 45 is going to hold.
But I love the NQ. But I love her. I love her so much. She don't love you. Can't you see it?
But I love her though.
It's not
I
true.
love her.
NQ's like, but we friends though. We're just friends.
The occasional business transactions where you give me all your money.
You mostly give me all your money. We friends though. Oh, what time is it?
Yeah, it's about that
10:15.
time. Whatever happens here, I'll be done for the day. I'm not playing this game with the NASDAQ or the ES. I'll be done. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not playing this game. I'm not playing it. Because the Bulls aren't, like, dude, the Bulls ain't letting this shit go. They ain't letting it go. Like, dude, it's crazy how the market, like, one day will be, like, trying to short this market to oblivion and get clapped, and then they turn around and then they and they go long and get clapped again. But then they just hold the market up. Like, yo. The Bulls ain't letting this shit go, man. They ain't letting it go easy. They are not letting this shit go easy. All right, that's it for me, man.
See that? I see. Yeah, I'm just gonna take all your money. Take all your gains.
You said that's bull shorting. You talking about bull shorting in terms of getting stopped out of the market? Is that what you're referring to again? Wait, NQ running. Alfred, are you long or are you short right now? Alfred's probably long.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're long. Yeah.
Do, 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 do.
Yeah, it never is though. Like, dude, I don't know why you trade outside of it.
Stop me out.
All right, so who's more comfortable right now, the Bulls or the Bears? Who's piling in more right now, the Bulls or the Bears? Well, Bookmap is telling me the buyers are aggressively piling into this. And yet, even though they're aggressively piling into this, the market's not moving. We're not seeing any movement from all the buying that's happening. And coincidentally, the CVD is negative even though we're going up. At least on the ES it is. I haven't looked on the NASDAQ. Yeah, never mind. The NASDAQ is it's positive. Yeah, I mean, you just might as well just be a buyer on the NASDAQ, even if the market's going down. She only sells off every once in a while when the buyers get tired of buying. That's the only time she sells off, apparently. Yeah, that's starting to look really bullish on the ES. Okay, so 45 or 47, they front ran 45. It looks like that's what they did. Yeah, look at the hourly chart on the NASDAQ. That shit is super bullish right now, dude. Have you looked at the hourly chart on the NASDAQ?
I did.
I did.
But it keeps getting sold off. It keeps getting sold off. It keeps getting sold off in this area, though. I gotta try. I gotta try.
uh,
I'm gonna just take my $58 and call it. See, it keeps selling off. It keeps selling off from this area. What did it make it to? 59, and that was
dude, I'm
that
tired of this
was
shit, man.
yesterday.
Dude, okay, dude. All right, make up your mind. Are you trying to sell off or what? Like, what are you trying to do?
Yeah,
Shit.
this is
God.
this is lame. This is lame. Lame, NQ. It's hella
All
lame.
right, man. All right. So I mean, they rejected it off of. I mean, the Nasdaq. I mean, not the Nasdaq. The ES rejected. Huh.
I was just, yeah, I'm gonna just leave it here at VWAP, and then
Yeah, the Bulls are trying. Look at this footprint chart. Okay. Yeah, the Bulls are definitely trying here. Like they're trying. Hmm.
yes,
The Bulls are
still in
trying. They
that.
keep getting trapped.
He's still in that downtrend.
Mm-hmm. Especially on the ES. The ES is yet
Yes,
to break
yeah.
out of it yet.
And Q is just he keeps selling at that area, but I'm like,
Mm.
I don't want to short it. Like I do, but I don't.
Mm-hmm.
Because the one time you short it is like, okay, we decide to break out now. Let's
We're
break
breaking
these
out now.
highs. Yeah, we're gonna break out now. We got them. Barking off, we got
God.
him. He fell for it. We rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times. We got him now. 13th time's a charm. He shorted. Pump it.
He bought.
You know what? INQ. Give me my get back.
I don't know how. Well, I'm seeing different information on this one than on that one. Oh, I wonder why. He bought. Dump it. Mm. Okay. Yeah. Mm. All right. So the question is, was that the bottom? Was 47 the bottom? That's the question. Was 47 the bottom? And will 57, 58 be the top right now? The ES has to break above, has to break back into this range and find support in order for this to be a real long on the ES. But with how bullish it's been, I guess I shouldn't be surprised that it front ran all that liquidity at 45. I shouldn't be surprised, I guess. All right, so let's see. This is where the bears got to come in on the ES.
Nope.
This is where the bears got to come in.
Well, they are at VWAP, so they could be like, "Oh, I'm gonna take profit and sell off of VWAP."
Mm-hmm.
I'm the ES. I like to trade with what everybody's thinking. I'm not the NASDAQ. I don't like to overshoot. We long the top, baby. Need to lock this in while I'm talking. Lock it in. Lock it up. Here's what I'll do. I'll put this here.
Shit, that thing bounced perfectly at the 200. God damn it, dude. The thing bounced perfectly, man. I don't know why I keep going falling for that crap. Like the 200 EMA ain't the truth on every instrument that it's on. I don't know why. It bounced perfectly at the 200 EMA. Let me see if I can show y'all. That sucks. No, well, it's not on this chart. It's right here. I'll just move this chart right here. Yeah, the ES moved. It bounced perfectly at this 200 EMA. God damn.
You got a resistance level at 47 or near?
Where on the NASDAQ?
Yeah, it's R1. They usually like to get to what, R2 or 3? What did I say? Say 2 or 3.
I mean, it could reject here at 250. It could. It made a 100% move, so we could see a rejection at 253. Dude, is this it? Is this it? Are we getting this short, mama? Is it shorting?
I'm only going up. Buster.
Yeah, this is definitely a gamble. Let me see how this candle closes. It's definitely a gamble.
Yeah, and we'll just have to come in tomorrow and do them other two accounts.
Yeah,
So we
okay.
got Powell tomorrow.
All right. Yeah, we got Powell tomorrow. Okay. Let's see. We'll see what happens, man. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
Third time's a charm, baby. Push it. Push it. Oh, no. Push it.
If they find support in this range, then we're about to get a breakout. We're about to get a breakout. We'll see if 660 is going to be that resistance. We'll see. Yeah, okay. Well, and this is why I'll never short the NASDAQ ever again.
Come on, NQ, you got this. You got this, NQ. It's probably gonna stop. Damn it.
Dude, is this a sell-off? Dude, is this it right here? Is that it? Probably because that's 61.
Get the chance.
I mean, if this doesn't sell off here, then this is going up. There's no more shorting after this. This thing's going up.
Or Mr. Nice Guy.
And then shit, if we do see a sell-off from here, the question is, do they really go down there to S4 at 45 to buy it? Because the structure won't even look, I mean, the structure wouldn't even look right if they did that. I mean, let's just say that they did sell this thing down and they broke this low. I mean, they did all that just to get that liquidity at 45, just to run it back up. It wouldn't even look right. Mm,
Mm, mm.
okay, we'll see what happens here. So the Nasdaq dropped at above that range. She took that liquidity above that high at 259, and she dropped. Mm, that's interesting. Well, it's past that time. I was hoping that this shit did I was hoping that the Nasdaq, I'm not the Nasdaq, the ES would touch 45 before my time. I got this rule in my funded account that anytime after 11 o'clock is prohibited. Any trading after 11 is prohibited. Pre-market is prohibited unless I have a pristine entry. I'm talking about pristine entry. My time frame is up until about 10 o'clock before lunch, and trading outside that time frame is prohibited. So unfortunately, if this thing does move to 45, I won't be able to catch it in my ES account or in my funded account. I'll have to wait until tomorrow. Mm. That's what we talking about, baby. Hey, when the bear sees a short, we short it, baby. You short or you long?
Nope. Can't trust the shorts.
I think the Nasdaq. I think the shorts happen because the one sign that you always got to watch out for is when price run away from a level. Price ran away from this level, so be mindful. They ran away from it. We'll see what happens here at the 50 EMA. We'll see. We'll see. I got like 5 minutes, and then I got to jump into this meeting. Yeah, I don't like the fact that it double topped here on the Nasdaq. And there she goes. There she goes. There she goes, baby. There she goes. Hopefully you short.
My
Hopefully you
gains!
short.
No, my gains! Give me back my gains, NQ. Not my gains. Boom.
We up, baby. We up. We up. We up. We up. Uh, hey, Gameway, where you going at with Bitcoin? It looks like Bitcoin is in a downtrend, bro. Where you going at with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is definitely in a downtrend. Well, I mean, I guess. I mean, depending on where you got in at, I guess. I mean, I guess. I guess.
Fire should be stepping in about now. Right about now. About now. Okay. They don't want me to succeed today. Like, look at that. That would be so disgusting if they did run a 45 on ES from here.
Dude, that's what they always wanted, dude. It's crazy that they did this whole run up just to go down there. Now I don't even trust 45 anymore to go long. I don't even trust it. So this thing could be going to like the 33-ish or something like that. Because
Yeah,
it doesn't make sense because they break this. I mean, if they would have to tap 45 and then come right back up and close underneath or back above these lows, because that would technically be a break of structure if it keeps going lower. And then that means that the bears will short the retest here and we'll get it to go lower. So the structure on the ES don't even look right. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see. I mean, we got a double top on the NASDAQ. We got Powell tomorrow. I'm pretty sure the market just waiting for that Powell pump. And then we'll probably see like 285 or something like that. Mm. Uh, let's see what they do here. Let's see what they do. Um, yeah, you just have to. You would just have to look at the candle and see like what the hell's going on, because uh, I mean, okay. So this level right here is where I want to see them break below this level with some authority. They need to break below this level right here, because the bulls can definitely come back here and try to buy this. What we talking about, baby? We in the shorts we trust. The shorts we trust, baby. So the Nasdaq would have stopped me out just for my short to work. Nice one, Nasdaq. Nice. Okay, so they did come back in at this level right here. So the bulls are trying, like we talked about. So we should expect the bulls to try here. We'll see if they're going to be successful. All right, let's see that stop run, baby. Let's see it. Let's see that stop run. I'll give this 5 more minutes. I'll give it 5 more minutes. Let's see it, baby. Let's end the stream beautifully. Come on. Let's end it beautifully. And so I would definitely have to look at. I would definitely have to look this up. Probably like 40. Like, yeah, probably at the top of this range. They'll probably come in at the top of this range, probably. But I can't trade my funded account past 11 o'clock, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow.
did you set that in there? Did you
No,
pro? Oh, that's just your code you're going by.
dude, that's what's been getting me the payouts, man. Following these stupid rules. So
Yeah.
I don't like it. The
Of course not.
I don't like it. I like the payouts, but I don't like how I'm getting them. I don't like it. I don't like it. But I gotta follow the rules. Because if I don't follow the rules, the one time I don't follow the rules, it's gonna get ugly. And you know I ain't gonna close it. and that account is definitely going to be in jeopardy. So I need to make sure that when I get into a trade, the odds are on my side. And after 11 o'clock, the liquidity dries up. The market moves further than what it usually would due to low liquidity. And so you can sit in a position for a long time. And after 11 o'clock, you don't have that much time left on the clock. So even though I hate it, I mean, that's the reason why I got that rule that I need to have all day just in case I made a mistake. The good thing about the ES is that even if you long the top here, and we talked about this last night, you can make mistakes on the ES. You can make a lot of mistakes on the ES, a lot, and still be successful. If you long this top earlier in the session, you see how many times she gave you break even? You see how many times she gave you break even? She gave you about 4 or 5 opportunities to get out at your break even if you long this top. And that's why I trade exclusively in the ES on my funded account, because there's so much room for error. And at the same time, there's no need for the error in the first place, but the error is there. And on one ES contract, you only lose $1,000 on 20 points, and you know she ain't gonna move 20 points. You know she's not gonna do it in one shot. She's gonna give you plenty of opportunities to get out of your position. So that's why I prefer to stay in with the ES when it comes to my funded side. But I will trade the NASDAQ in my other accounts for sure. Because yesterday we talked about how the bulls were trying to aggressively short this bottom right here at the bottom of yesterday's move before they all got clapped. They got snowfalled.
Dang.
That's what the NASDAQ is. That dude from Snowfall. Like, where my money at? Where my money? Where my money? Where my money at? Where my money? All right.
Yo, that was pretty graphic.
Yeah, it's like, dude, where my money at? It's like, bro, you ain't have to do all that, bro. You ain't have to do all that.
He really didn't. That was just, yeah, dude was doing way too much. Way too much. Like, dang. Oh, are they gonna bounce it here again?
Dude, they're going for it makes no sense for them to bounce it here, dude. They have to touch 45. Well, at least well, let me rephrase that. It's highly likely they should touch it. Oh crap. Okay. All right. Let me do this.
You gotta go.
Yeah, I gotta go. So I'll just take this right here if it gets to me. Because I don't have the patience to sit and watch this. But all right, guys, I gotta get into this meeting. Hopefully, you guys was able to make some money with us. And with that said, peace out, everybody.
All right, y'all. Later.